Angela Jane, and welcome to my channel, Runway Done My Way. Today's episode, we are going to be doing another small apartment tour. Mine was so popular that I literally hit up all my girlfriends that live in really small apartments, and I asked them if I can come over and do a tour. So today we're gonna go to my girlfriend Macy's house. She's a really popular Instagram influencer. I will put her stats on the screen right next to me. And she has just moved into a really cute little apartment, and she actually launched an Instagram page for it called Macy's Nook. So she is going to give us a tour to give you some other design ideas, just in case you're living in a small apartment as well. So we are going to be driving across the bridge over to downtown Miami, and we're gonna check out her nook. So we are at Macy's apartment. Macy's Nook, actually. Hello, hello.
Come in.
I am sharing your nook with our YouTubers.
Welcome
I'm gonna
to
let
my
you.
nook. This is Macy's Nook.
Oh my goodness, you guys, look at that picturesque window. I'm gonna give Macy the phone in a second and let her do a proper walkthrough, but my God, it's so cute. I've only seen this on your Instagram page, so I always wanted to see it in person.
Yes, this is my little nook, and I just love her so much.
All right, show us your nook, baby girl.
Okay, so we're gonna go this way. This is my kitchen. It's kind of like an L-shaped kitchen. It's by Craft, I think, actually, the cabinets and everything, but there is
Ignore the lights.
so much storage. This is, you know, here's my fridge. And yeah, so I got this little kitchen rug from Urban Outfitters Home, which I am pretty much an addict. Everything that they have is high quality. It can get a little pricey, but like definitely I recommend going when they have sales to like get on there, jump on there.
Urban Outfitters.
Yes, Urban Outfitters.
Like it.
And then over here, I just, this is my sink area. You'll see them like throughout the video. I get my little posters from Desenio and Poster Club. They have like super cute posters for like pretty much any room, living room, kitchen. I thought since I love wine, there's like a little wine guide here.
Do they come framed?
They don't come framed, but you can buy the frames. You can buy them on the website, or you can buy them from, honestly, I think I bought this one from IKEA. IKEA has, super cheap frames.
Yes, they do.
So yes, and I have my dishwasher here. This is my little table. Since it's only me, technically here, I got this little table from Wayfair along with the chairs.
How come you only got 2 chairs? Because it's just...
That's a good question. Honestly, I feel like I'm probably gonna get another one just in case. But
actually, if this was over here.
Yeah.
That's because I was sitting there, actually.
Okay, we can move. Okay.
That's my Libra. See, my balance is so weird because I'm a Libra.
No, it's fine. Yes.
So cute.
I really should just add another chair. But this is my whole kitchen and my little espresso machine.
Everyone's got their Nespresso machine.
So as you come over here,
this is the famous nook, you guys.
This is my famous living room area. This is where I settle down. I watch my shows. I was like actually debating whether to make this more aesthetically pleasing. Well, it is, but like I wanted it also to be like super comfortable because like, I'm gonna be shooting in here and stuff, but I was thinking about getting, like 2 little accent chairs, and I'm like, no, like I just got a beanbag.
I love the beanbag.
I got a beanbag. I also got it from Urban Outfitters. I think it came in 2 other colors, more of like a white and then more of a chocolate color. But I figure I just get, this tan color because it kind of like, it goes with the room and it gives it a little texture and, just a different kind of color to it.
All the little detail is so crazy.
And yeah, all of my little details are from H&M Home, the sculptures, candles, trays. These are like little trays too. Everything, little candle holders, everything is from H&M Home. This dresser I got from Wayfair. I will say that it took a long time to put this together. I had 2 other people help me. But for what it is, I really love it. I just have like all my essentials in here. I have like some socks, workout clothes. I would have put like a TV stand, but I kind of just utilize the space and, make it my little dresser. So
that's a really good idea, Macy. My voice is going to be loud.
okay, yeah.
To save room in the bedroom, you guys, that's a really good idea.
Yeah,
she doubled her console. That's such a good idea.
I put my stuff and it just kind of like fit. So
it's stunning.
Yeah. It's long and it's something that I really needed. And yeah, if I were to put this in there, there would be no room. So, and it also allowed me to get a king size bed. So that is another plus.
That is such a good idea.
So yeah, the rugs I got both kind of similar to. I got them from rugs.com. Amazing shag Moroccan rug.
Nice.
I got my little wood slab table from World Market. And then my couch I got from Floyd Detroit. This is like their sectional house. Sectional couch. And they come in different colors. I even think they have a mustard color, black, teal. They have this cream color, and then I also think a gray. And honestly, I really like it.
I love it.
It's nice. It's like the perfect couch, and it fit my space perfectly. It's not too big, not too small.
And I love your photo gallery walls, all of them. They're done so well.
I got pretty much all of these from the Poster Club.
Do they group it for you there, or you chose these?
I mean, they can group it for you because they have like little gallery inspo walls, which you can kind of just like buy right off the bat.
That's so cool.
But I just did some on my own. So yeah, these are all from Poster Club. This little mirror is from H&M. I love H&M.
All your little things in the corner. Oh,
this is my little corner. I'm gonna put actually a side table here soon. I just haven't decided where to get yet. But for any of you that are looking for pampas grass, I have friends over at For Love of Pampas, and they have so many, options, colors. They have those like little cute like bunny tails as well. Also, like they have palms. Completely forgot. This is also from Love of Pampas. They have like dried palm leaves.
And they're really great quality.
Yeah, super great quality. And I just think it kind of makes, nice little accents for, rooms and stuff. So
it's all about the detail. It's all about the detail and decor.
So yeah, this is my living room area. Oh, come on to my bedroom. So this is my little bedroom.
First of all, let me see. This is so cute.
Yeah, I have like these are actually my night lights. I got them from Urban as well. They're like little firefly lights. So yeah, this is another gallery wall by Poster Club. One of my friends gave me this little basket, so I'm like, okay, let me just hang it up, and it kind of just worked.
It's amazing.
Some more Pampas from For Love of Pampas. I have my little rock band posters over there. And then this little green wall, it's all from Amazon. I got these little faux plants, these little shelves, and kind of just made like a little greenery wall. And my rug is also from, it's pretty much the same rug, just different pattern. It's also from rugs.com. And then my bedding, I always get from H&M Home. H&M Home.
You love it.
I love it. I got my pillows from there. And I have their bed sets are just really, really soft linen bed sets. And then here, I have to do something with this. I'm gonna get like a bookshelf to put like all my bags and stuff probably here. I'll probably end up hanging this up horizontally. But this is actually my shoot rack. So like on this side, this is like all my outfits that I have to shoot. So it kind of gives like, it visualizes me to, style something.
Yeah.
So yeah. And then the bed frame is actually from Thuma Co. It's like a wooden bed frame. It has like a cushion.
Let me see.
Like a linen cushion bed frame.
Oh, that's really pretty.
And just stick it back there, and it fit perfectly right below the
pretty.
window. Yeah, super minimal. So yeah, this is where
Beautiful.
it all goes down.
And again, another beautiful window. And just so you guys, let me just show you like how high her ceilings are. Wow. That's amazing. Okay, everyone always asks for the bathroom. Can we see your bathroom? I always keep mine hidden. I keep mine hidden because mine's ugly.
Yes, come with me.
And excuse the lights, you guys, because we were shooting something.
So this is my bathroom.
So much cuter than mine.
Black tile floors. I got my posters again. Actually, these are from Decennial, I think. Also like a big poster store. All of like the bath mats and towels and stuff I got from Target. I put this shelf up myself, which is from Urban Outfitters. And then my unit just came with this makeup mirror, which actually is good light for makeup, so I kind of got lucky on that.
Yeah, right.
But yes, my little bathroom.
It's so cute. It's such a nice ambiance to always have a candle lit too.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, these posters are so cute.
I kind of kept it like black and white since the floor was black, so I kind of kept it, you know.
I love it. Little row. Love it. So cute. And there's another one. You have great taste in art.
Oh, thank you. So
All right.
yes, this is my little nook, and I love it. For more images and stuff on where I got my items, you can go to Macy's Nook on Instagram, or you can just DM me on Wander with Macy. I'll just give you everything, all the items that I got here. So yeah, I hope you like it.
Thank you, Macy, for our tour.
Yes.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video and tour of Macy's Nook. She's actually going to do me another favor and shoot a video next week on how to become an Instagram influencer. Actually, how to become a successful Instagram influencer and actually treat it like a business in case you want to start in 2021. So stay tuned for that video. You will be seeing Macy again, and I'll see you guys on Friday for Faith-Filled Friday. I wanted to thank you guys again for the ongoing support of my channel. I'm watching it grow every day, and I'm rooted in gratitude and love. So thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and click the circle next to me. I post every Wednesday and Friday. Fridays are dedicated to Faith-Filled Fridays, a new series that I have launched and I'm very proud of. And if you missed last week's video, go ahead and click that video right there. And I'll see you guys on Friday for Faith-Filled Friday. Bye.